Jamaica Labour Party councillor for the Maypen North Division, Melvin Jones, is dead. Mr. Jones died this morning in hospital. TVJ's Shamela Mitchell has the details.
TVJ News has learned that Jamaica Labour Party councillor for the Maypen North Division, Melvin Jones, was ailing for some time prior to his death Monday morning. Not a Merry Christmas for party faithfuls, especially in the community of Buckner, Clarendon.
A day like today, even Christmas Day, I always come out, find a spot, you know, try to make youth them, majority of youth them happy, you know, may put some things together, put on a pot, make sure everybody have something, have a drink, you know, make everybody merry.
Mr. Temple said his passing has left a void in the community.
He's a people person when he come inside the community, whether you're PNP, JLP, no matter which race or class you be, it's just that kind of man who he means for everybody. He not specialize. More time when we have water crisis and so he must assist to 100% or even sometimes more. Even if it costs more than what it should, he always put it in to make sure the community all right.
Meanwhile, Chairman of the Clarendon Municipal Corporation, Winston Maraj, also remembered Mr. Jones as a good person.
He was a very hard worker. He would always be representing the people of his division. Every time that he comes to meetings, he would be talking about something for the people of the Maypen North Division. He was a friend to all. Every member of staff at the Clarendon Municipal Corporation was his friend. He surely will be missed by all.
Shamela Mitchell, TVJ News.